Welcome all. Today in this session, we are going to discuss about the different type of joins in SQL. So first, let's understand what is SQL join. So you can say SQL join is basically a clause which we use on SQL query when we want to fetch the records from two or more tables in our SQL database. And for that purpose, we use a column which is going to relate both the tables. In short, you can say in both the tables, when we want to fetch the data, there should be a common column should be there in both the tables, and on the base of that column we can fetch the records here. So first understand how many types of joins are there. So there are four type of joins. One is called inner join or simple join, we call it. Left outer join, or you can say left join. Right outer join, or we can also say right join. And last is full outer join, or we can say full join. So first understand what is you can say inner join. So inner join, you can say it retrieved the records that have matching values in both the tables. So actually it retrieves the records, but it is going to check the values that should match in the both the tables. So this is the, you can say, syntax for that. Here in the syntax, you can see I'm using a syntax select star from table A, table underscore one, and I'm using A. Then what is A? So actually you can say A is a concept that is called alias. So whenever you are using a big name of the table in your query, and if you want to use it for the timing, you want to use a short name for that, then you use the alias. If you want to watch the or understand the alias concept, you can watch my other video, and the description of that video I will put in the description of this video. Then you can understand what is alias here. So now let me give the practical example of inner join. We have a table PizzaCompany. It contains column like company ID, company name, company city, and there is another table that is called foods. It contains the table item. It contains the column like item ID, item name, unit sold, and company ID. So we are going to apply you can see here inner join, and for the inner join we are going to use the common column that is called company ID. So for company ID, I am applied here inner join. So inner join, you can say here in the last on after in the last of the query, I'm using on pz.companyid equal to f.companyid. So this is the, you can say, I'm using the inner join, and the output is this one. So here you can say what is the matched value in both the tables. In both the tables, the match values of the company ID are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 7. So 5 values not matched, because 5 is company ID 5 is available in the first pizza company table, but that is not available in the food table. So that's why it is not going to return or fetch the data for the company ID 5 here. So now let me go to the second type of join, that is called left outer join. So in left outer join, only the difference is that it is going to fetch the records from the left table, or you can say from the left side, whatever you have table you have used in the left side of your query, but it is going to match the records or values from the right table also. So record will be retrieved from the left side, left table, but matched will be from the right side table. Okay. So now here you can say the syntax is this one, and let me give the practical example. Again, we have same table PizzaCompany and the foods, and if we are going to apply the joins here, so in this query we use the left join. The keyword is left join, and if you run this, you will see that it is going to give the results, and here it is considering all the records, all the company ID from the left table. Like whenever it is going to fetch the record, it is considering all the IDs which is available in the PizzaCompany table, is that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So all the IDs is considering, and if any ID which is present in the first table but that is not present in the second table like foods, in that case, for that you can say data, it is going to return the null. So you can say in the first company ID 5 record was available, all the records were available in the second, but 5 was not available. So for 5 it has just added a record, but all the values which is you can say coming from the second table, it just put the null there. Okay. So now let me take the example of the third one, that is called right outer join. In the right outer join, it is just the opposite of the left outer join. Like it retrieves the record, it will show the records from the right side table, but the matching will be from the matching of the record will be from the left table here. So again, the thing is that here's the syntax is this one. We all usually use you can say we use the keyword or clause right join here. So now let me give the practical example. Again, we have same table, Pizza Company and Foods, and you know that what is the name of the columns there. If I'm going to apply the join here, so I'm using the right join here. In case of right join, it will return the records from the right side table. So in the right side table, you can say whatever company ID is available on the right side, it is returning the data like 2, 3, 3, 4, 1, 1, 6, 7. So this time it is not returning the data for the 5 because that is available in the company Pizza Company table, which is in the left side. So it is returning the data from the right side table matching with the, so you can say, left side here. So now let me take the example of full or outer join. In this case, you can say, in this case, it is going to consider all the records from both the tables, and it is going to consider that the matching should be in the left side or in the right side. In either case, if it is matching from the left side, then it is also considered. If it is matching from the right side, then it is also going to be considered. Okay. So there's a syntax. In the syntax, we use the full join, and sometimes we use the full outer join. So let me give the practical example. This is Pizza Company and this is food. If I'm going to apply here, you can say I'm using a full join keyword. Again, the column is same company ID because I told you that in the join, you need to use a common column for both the tables. If you are using 3 tables, in that case, you have to use the same column in the 3 tables here. So when I run this query, you will see it will fetch the record, all the records from whether it is available in the first table or it is available in the second table, that is called foods here. So it is returning all the data like you can see here, Pizza Company ID 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And whatever record is not available in the right side, like you can say for ID 5 is not available, so in this case it is running the null. So actually you can say it is going to consider all the records from either from the first table or the second table. Okay. So now if you are going to run this query in the MySQL, so I want to tell you that in MySQL, this query, this syntax is not going to execute it because MySQL doesn't support the full join. But in the MySQL, if you want to achieve it, the simple way is that you can do one thing, just write the query for the left join, then write the query for the right outer join, and then use the union. So this complete whatever query you are able to see the on your screen, like left outer join, union, right outer join, it is going to give the same result like the full join here. So this will the output. The output will be same here. Now all the queries which I have shown you in this video, I will put in the description of this video. I will also put the command for creating the table. So if you want to, if you have any database, you can use these, you can say table queries and table, you can say insert queries, and you can also test it practically in your own system here. Now, if you like the video, you can click on the like button. If you have any type of query, you can put in the comment of this video. And if you have not subscribed my channel till now, you can subscribe it. Thank you.